Now, the question is sum of all distinct real values of x that satisfy this equation. Sum of all distinct real values of x satisfy this equation, right. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us 10 to the power x, let us call it a, right. Okay. So, from here can I say x is equal to log of a to the base 10, we can say this, right. Now, let us replace 10 to the power x by a. So, our equation will be, we will get a plus 4 by a equals to 81 by 2, 81 by 2, right. So, from here we get multiplying both side by a, or let us multiply by 2a. So, basically we will get 2a square, I am multiplying both side by 2a. So, 2a square plus 8a, okay, or multiplying by 2a. So, it will be 8, not 8a, right. I am multiplying both side by 2a. So, 2a square plus 8 equals to 81a, or let us bring 81 to the left hand side. So, it's 2a square minus 81a plus 8 equal to 0. Now, see, this is a quadratic equation, it will give you two values of a, okay. And if you check the discriminant b square minus 4ac, it is positive, you will get two real values of a, right. And now, here they are asking all distinct, sum of all distinct real values of x, right. So, see, here we will get two values of a, the roots are let us say a1 and a2, right, two values, and if you replace it here, we will get two values of x, one will be x1, it will be log a1 to the base 10, other value is let us say x2 log a2 base 10, or you can say alpha beta whatever, right. So, you see the two values of x are x1 x2 and the values are log a1 log a2, the values of a is log a1 log a2. They are asking a sum of the two values of x. So, sum of those two values will be log of a1 to the base 10 plus log of a2 to the base 10. We have to find this, right, which is nothing but base 10, okay. It will be log a1 plus log a2, it will be log a1 a2. So, we have to find a1 a2. And now, a1 and a2 are roots of this quadratic equation, right. So, we know that product of roots is c by a. So, here we will get 8 by 2, right. Okay. So, a1 and a2 will be getting c by a, right. Okay. So, this will be log base 10, it will be 8 by 2, right, c by a. So, it will be 8 by 2. So, answer is log of 4 to the base 10, right, log of 4 to the base 10. In the option you can see all are in terms of log 2. So, we can write it as log of 2 square to the base 10, or it will be 2 log 2 to the base 10. So, answer is 2 log 2 to the base 10. If you look at the option 2 log 2 to the base 10, answer is option 3, okay, 2 log 2 to the base 10. I hope this is clear, okay. Now, let us go to the next question.